Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by collecting materials you will rely on for a night view drawing. Use a 2B pencil and a 4B for deep darks and soft transitions. Bring a 0.5 mm mechanical pencil for fine details and a 6 mm cotton blending stump for smooth gradients. Choose paper sized 9 by 12 inches with 160 GSM weight for good tooth and durability. Plan composition by placing the horizon 1/4 from the bottom to balance sky and foreground. Begin blocking in the sky at 70 to 90% darkness before adding stars and highlights. Establish a range of values from 5% twilight to nearly full black for distant shapes. Use cool blues and 10% warm accents for streetlights and windows to suggest heat and reflection. Paint wet reflections with a soft brush, blending horizontally for believable water or wet pavement glare. Reserve highlights with a kneaded eraser, leaving pure paper where stars and small lights should sit. Work in details last, using short 2 to 5 mm strokes to suggest leaves and rough surfaces. Use a toothbrush flick for fine star sprays and a 1 mm pen to sharpen window frames and railing edges. Apply soft, dry brushing for atmospheric haze at the horizon, keeping edges slightly blurred. Step back at 3.5 feet to evaluate overall contrast and balance from a normal viewing distance. Finally, increase the darkest values by 25% if the image needs more depth and drama.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.